Drive like a pro, think, react, drive smart. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we will check how well you know traffic rules. I have prepared for you some interesting and slightly tricky traffic situations that any driver can face. So get comfortable, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And at the end of the video, write in the comments how many right answers you got. Now let's look at this situation involving a green traffic signal. You're approaching an intersection controlled by traffic lights. As you near the intersection, the traffic signal turns green, and you intend to continue straight through the intersection. Many drivers believe that a green light means they can immediately drive through without hesitation. However, even with a green signal, there are important safety responsibilities you must follow to avoid collisions. Understanding what a green light really allows and what it does not guarantee is essential for safe driving and is frequently tested on driving exams. Question: when a traffic signal turns green at an intersection and you are going straight through, you must answer choices. Answer 1. Make sure there are no more vehicles in or coming through the intersection. Answer 2. Stop and wait for the next signal. Answer 3. Drive through the intersection as quickly as possible. Answer 4. Watch for turning vehicles. Correct answer. Answer 1. Make sure there are no more vehicles in or coming through the intersection. Detailed explanation. A green light means you are allowed to proceed, but only when the intersection is clear. Before entering the intersection, you must ensure that no vehicles are still clearing the intersection from a previous signal. No vehicles are illegally running a red light. No pedestrians or cyclists are still crossing. Vehicles that entered the intersection late on a yellow or red signal may still be present. Entering without checking could result in a serious collision. Important rule to remember: a green light does not guarantee that the intersection is clear. It only gives you permission to proceed when it is safe. Why the other answers are incorrect. Answer 2. Stop and wait for the next signal. This is incorrect because a green light allows you to proceed. Stopping unnecessarily can confuse other drivers and disrupt traffic flow. Answer 3. Drive through the intersection as quickly as possible. This is unsafe because speeding through an intersection reduces your ability to react. Other vehicles or pedestrians may still be present. Intersections are high-risk areas that require caution, not speed. Answer 4. Watch for turning vehicles. While this is good advice, it is incomplete. You must check for all vehicles and hazards, not only turning vehicles. The question asks what you must do before proceeding, and ensuring the intersection is clear is the most critical requirement. Key rules to remember. A green light means go only when the intersection is clear. Always scan left, right, and ahead before entering. Be alert for red light runners and late crossing vehicles. Safety always comes before speed or convenience. Final answer. Make sure there are no more vehicles in or coming through the intersection. Now let's look at this right-of-way situation at an intersection. You are driving toward an uncontrolled intersection at the same time as a bicyclist. There are no traffic lights or stop signs regulating traffic. The bicyclist is approaching from your right, and both of you arrive at the intersection at the same moment. Many drivers assume that motor vehicles automatically have priority over bicycles. However, this assumption is incorrect. Under traffic laws, a bicycle is legally considered a vehicle, and bicyclists must be treated the same as other drivers on the road. Understanding and applying right-of-way rules in situations like this is critical for preventing accidents and is a common topic on driving knowledge exams. Question: if a bicycle on your right reaches an intersection at the same time as you do, you must. Answer 1. Yield to the bicycle. Answer 2. Proceed because you have the right-of-way. Answer 3. Ask the bicyclist to change lanes. Answer 4. Move slowly along with the bicycle. Correct answer. Answer 1. Yield to the bicycle. Detailed explanation. At an uncontrolled intersection, the fundamental right-of-way rule is yield to the vehicle on your right. This rule applies equally to cars, motorcycles, bicycles. Because the bicyclist is approaching from your right and arrives at the intersection at the same time as you, you are required to yield. Why this rule exists. This rule creates a clear and predictable order of movement, reduces hesitation and confusion, helps prevent side impact collisions. Even though a bicycle is smaller and usually slower than a car, it is still a legal road user. Failing to yield can result in a traffic collision, serious injury to the bicyclist, legal responsibility for the driver. Why the other answers are incorrect. Answer 2. Proceed because you have the right of way. This is incorrect because you do not have the right of way when another vehicle arrives from your right at the same time. Proceeding could cause a collision and violate traffic laws. Answer 3. Ask the bicyclist to change lanes. This option is invalid because drivers cannot instruct or control other road users. Bicyclists decide their movements based on traffic laws, not driver requests. Answer 4. Move slowly along with the bicycle. This is unsafe and confusing. Hesitation increases the risk of misunderstanding. Both road users may enter the intersection simultaneously, leading to a crash. Clear yielding is always safer than moving together. Key rules to remember. Bicycles are legally considered vehicles. At uncontrolled intersections, yield to the vehicle on your right. Treat bicyclists with the same respect and caution as other drivers. Final answer, yield to the bicycle. You are traveling on a 2-lane road where there is 1 lane in each direction and traffic is moving both toward and away from you. Ahead of you, another vehicle is driving more slowly than you are. You are considering overtaking this vehicle to continue driving at a safe and reasonable speed. Overtaking on a 2-lane road is one of the most dangerous driving maneuvers because it requires you to briefly enter the lane used by oncoming traffic. For this reason, traffic laws strictly control where and how passing is allowed. Understanding these rules is essential not only for passing a driving test, but also for preventing serious head-on collisions in real-world driving. Question: when overtaking and passing another vehicle on a 2-lane road, you should pass. Answer choices. Answer 1. On either the left or the right of the vehicle. Answer 2. Only on the left of the vehicle. Answer 3. Only on the right of the vehicle. Answer 4. On neither the left nor the right of the vehicle. Correct answer? Answer 2. Only on the left of the vehicle. Detailed explanation. On a standard 2-lane road, passing is legally and safely done only on the left side of the vehicle ahead. Here's why passing on the left is required. The left side is the side closest to the center line, making it the expected passing side. Other drivers anticipate vehicles passing on the left, not the right. Road markings, sight distance rules, and traffic laws are designed around left side passing. When you pass on the left, you must check that the center line allows passing, broken line, not solid. Make sure there is no oncoming traffic close enough to create danger. Signal your intention before changing lanes. Pass at a safe speed without exceeding legal limits. Return to your lane as soon as it is safe to do so. Passing must always be completed quickly and smoothly, without forcing other drivers to slow down or move. Why the other answers are incorrect. Answer 1. On either the left or the right of the vehicle. This is incorrect because 2-lane roads are not designed for passing on both sides. Passing on the right is unpredictable and dangerous. Drivers do not expect vehicles to pass on the right in this situation. It increases the risk of sideswipe and head-on collisions. Answer 3. Only on the right of the vehicle. This option is especially dangerous. The right side is usually reserved for slower traffic, not passing. Passing on the right may require driving on the shoulder. It can surprise the driver being passed, increasing crash risk. Answer 4. On neither the left nor the right of the vehicle. This is incorrect because passing is allowed on 2-lane roads when done legally and safely. Banning all passing would cause unnecessary congestion. The law allows passing when conditions and road markings permit it. Key rules to remember. On 2-lane roads, always pass only on the left. Never pass on a solid center line. Never pass on hills, curves, or where visibility is limited. Do not pass if you cannot return to your lane safely. Safety is always more important than saving time. Final answer, only on the left of the vehicle. Subscribe and never miss traffic rules lessons.